Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of rational number. This is third question of its exercise 9.2. So the question says that find the product. So हमें product find out करना है. So 9 upon 2 into minus 7 by 4. So जगह 9 7 जा minus 63 upon 4 2 जा 8. Then second 3 by 10 into minus 9. 9 3 जा 27 upon 10. Then third minus 6 by 5 into 9 by 11. So 9 6 are 54. So minus 64 minus 54 upon 5 11 ja 11 5s are 55. Then fourth part is 3 by 7 into minus 2 by 5. So 3 2s are 6 and 7 5s are 35 and minus sign as it is. Fifth is 3 by 11 into 2 by 5. So 3 2s are 6 and 11 5s are 55. Then sixth part is 3 by minus 5 into minus 5 by 3. So minus से minus cancel out हो जाएगा and 5 से 5. Then 3 से 3. So हो जाएगा 1. Thank you.